It is moving. Everything is off. And we got slow movement. Okay. Oh, we're showing the water. Had an old age moment. So now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna drain everything inside. Probably won't use that footage, but Jacob.
Jesse.
Yeah, hi.
So we got water coming out here. Open this the best we can. Open up this side too, because it'll be easier for us to get in there and check.
Alright, so we cut this open under here, and we do see water, and so we have our leak detection monitor here, and what we're going to do is we're going to listen to each of these pipes under here. It's going to give us a reading here, and that'll give us good direction on which pipe is leaking.
That's upside down.
Oh yeah, this one's cranking right here. One with the yellow.
Top into one.
Alright, now we're going to check this hotline here in the bathroom. Yep. Just what we thought. Nice and loud there, see that reading. Low. Cold is nice and quiet. Loud. Showing my hand strength right here.
This is the leaking line. It goes down under the concrete. We're going to go ahead and fish this line, and wherever it comes up, that's where we're going to cap the other side. I'm gonna go ahead and push this in and tap it because we've hit the bottom point. I have another guy on the other side listening. So right now we're turning the water back on after capping the incoming hot water line and making sure that we correctly found the leak. This completes the leak detection process. The next step is getting a water source back to the kitchen sink. This can be done with our reroute or repipe service. You can check out those videos on our website. Working with CNC Plumbing repipes or working with CNC Plumbing reroutes. Thank you.